Here's Apple's latest climate PDF report. It's 114 pages long and honestly difficult to read and follow along. With Relayto, the PDF is converted in seconds to an interactive microsite. 114 PDF pages is turned into 114 interconnected web pages, each with their own URL, all comprising a new microsite. And as you can see at the top, different sections are grouped together, making the report more accessible and specific pieces of information easier to find and share. For example, if I wanted to look at energy efficiency, I could just directly click it under climate change, which is much easier than scrolling on a PDF. Overall, the microsite is much easier to consume and distribute as opposed to the PDF. Instead of sending a large file, you could just send a link to the microsite instead. To do this, upload your report onto the Relayto portal after logging in. First, click the Add New Content button and then Upload. Select the appropriate file that you would like to convert to a microsite. It only takes a couple of seconds for it to convert, and in just a second I would demonstrate how to customize the microsite. Select a view. Now you can add a description and change the possible access control settings. Click Save. Now you have your newly created microsite. To edit it, click the Edit button. If you want to add interactivity, click the Page button and then Add Interactivity. Now you can add embedded links, buttons, icons, images, even audio. These customizations can be superimposed onto any section of any of these newly created web pages. If you want to learn more, we can take one of your PDF reports and convert it to a microsite in real time with us over Zoom. Let us know if you would like to book a demo.